Peabody manages more than 104,000 homes across London and the home counties, a huge, diverse portfolio that requires precise, reliable and accessible data to stay on top of day-to-day operations and long-term investment planning. To strengthen their GIS database and build a clearer picture of their assets, Peabody set out to procure the most current, high-resolution author-rectified aerial imagery available. They needed data they could trust, and a partner who could deliver it with confidence. The goal was simple: create a robust baseline dataset for every asset they manage. Homes, roofs, open spaces, land ownership boundaries, everything captured accurately, consistently, and ready to support smarter decisions. Better visibility, better planning, better outcomes for the communities they serve. After evaluating multiple providers, Peabody chose Getmapping. We scored 100% across all key criteria and delivered the most current, highest quality imagery with the widest coverage, all at the best value. As Amanda Jane Doherty, Open Space Strategy Manager at Peabody, put it,
"We chose Getmapping because they comprehensively answered the brief, giving us faith in the results. They scored 100% against all the key criteria and were the lowest on cost. The data provides us with a holistic view of our portfolio and supports us in decision-making, maximizing the effectiveness of our resources."
To support Peabody's vision, we supplied 10 cm resolution imagery across all 29 London boroughs, and 12.5 cm imagery across their wider southeast estates. We also delivered historic imagery to help them monitor change over time. All data was streamed via WMTS, integrating seamlessly into QGIS and the GIS platforms used by their partners, so teams could access high-quality data instantly, without complexity. The impact has been transformative. Peabody now has the most comprehensive and up-to-date visual record of their assets, including detailed roof visibility, which has traditionally been difficult and expensive to capture. Teams can inspect individual properties and open spaces directly from the desktop, reducing the need for site visits, saving time and cost, and lowering their carbon footprint. They can spot issues earlier, deploy maintenance teams faster, and manage the duty of care with greater confidence. For long-term planning, development and investment, the data provides a clearer, more reliable foundation. It's now easier to evaluate opportunities for new sites, understand constraints, and make decisions backed by accurate, consistent imagery. And with historic data included, Peabody can track change over time, a powerful tool for compliance, planning and strategic stewardship of their housing stock. This project shows exactly what high-quality aerial imagery can unlock: better intelligence, better decisions, and better outcomes for organizations managing large, complex portfolios. If you'd like to discover how high-resolution aerial imagery could support your organization too, our team is here to help. Get in touch with us at getmapping.co.uk and let's explore what's possible.